Hello students, now another question for the discussion is define alienations and the mode of production in contrast to Karl Marx. We discussed the alienation and the mode of the production in respect to Karl Marx. Karl Marx, as we all know, in his theory, he always been mentioning about that through the capitalism, the two class emerge. One is the industrialist class and the second one is the labor class. The industrialist class is that class which owns the factor of production and have all the resources. The labor class is that class which sell his labor for the survival. What the alienation in terms of the Marx? Alienation is all about when the human being is separated from the society. This is the alienation, the simple meaning of alienation. But according to Marx, the concept of the alienation is that whatever the production is being done by the labor, he is being eliminated for that. All the production, all the hard work is being done by the labor and the profit belongs to the industrialist, and the worker having a very little spare of amount of money given by the industrialist for the survival. This is all about the alienation in terms of the economic perspective that the Karl Marx wants to tell. The alienation that is all about the worker separated from his labor, worker not participate in the decision making process, worker separated from his family, worker separated from the society. So this is all about the alienation that that Karl Marx wants to tell about, that it is all about in the economic perspective, because Marx says that the capitalism divides the society in the two aspects, the industrialists and the workers, and this is all about by that the society is being divided among the two classes. The ones who owns all the things, have enjoyed all the things and have proper amount of capital, resources and each and everything that they have. But the labor class is only depends upon his survival for the services that he sells. And he is totally dependent upon the industrialist worker for the amount of the work provided by him that's depend upon his survival. That's the concept of the alienation Marx wants to tell in his theory. What the mode of the production is all about? The mode of the production, what's basically the production is all about? First of all, we analyze this thing. Production is all about the conversion of the raw material into finished products with the help of machines. With the invention of the industrialization and the more and more capital intensive technology is being there, the work is easily being done with the help of machine by the efforts of the labor. There are basically four modes of the production: land, labor, capital and entrepreneur. What the land is all about? Land is the most passive factor of production. Land cannot do anything, but with the help of the labor, we achieve the productivity. Labor is the most active factor of production. Through his skills, he produces the things and doing his own survival. Capital is the most important part. Basically, there are two types of capital. First is of the financial capital and the second is of the human capital. Financial capital is all about in the terms of the machineries, level of the resources that we purchase. Human capital is all about the skill that an individual have, that through these skills he or she is maintain his survival. And the last is the entrepreneur who is being managing the things. In the mode of the production, Karl Marx says two parts. This is class in itself or class for itself. What the class in itself and the class for itself is all about according to the Marx. The class in itself has the worker know about their rights and responsibilities, that how they are fight for their rights and all. The class for itself is all about the workers are not know about their rights and their perquisites and all, what the purpose they work for, and they are unaware about their rights and duties. If the class in itself indulge for the class for the itself, then a struggle is being there and the society is moved towards the classless society, and in which there is no class and all the peoples are equal. That's the concept of the Marx wants to tell about. This is all about the concept of the theory of the Marx in terms of the alienation and the mode of production. Thank you all for your kind listening and cooperation.